I became a lawyer because of To Kill a Mockingbird. We read To Kill a Mockingbird my sophomore year in high school. We then watched the movie, and I decided right there and then that I wanted to be Atticus Finch. And that's what I've done. Every decision that I made in my life from that moment forward led me to this point. I've been practicing criminal defense law for 27 years. All I have ever done is criminal defense law. I've never been one of those lawyers that does a whole bunch of little different things. All I've ever done is criminal defense. And it's because of that movie. Dealing with prosecutors is just like dealing with anybody. I mean, they're people too. They've got similar backgrounds to me. So even though we're adversarial, I don't really treat them like the enemy. More sort of like a colleague. We're just having a conversation about a case. The biggest thing is laying groundwork with your reputation with a prosecutor. And the most important piece of reputation that a prosecutor needs to know about you is that you're not afraid to try a case. If you come in, like many lawyers do, unfortunately, just sort of with their hands out, hoping to accept the best deal possible before you even start talking about a case, that's a position of weakness, because that tells the prosecutor that you're not looking to try the case. You just want to walk out of there as quickly as you can so you can make a lunch date. If they know that you're not afraid to pack a lunch and sit there all day and try a case, that changes the dynamic pretty considerably, because now they're taking you seriously as an adversary, and they understand that if they want a full conviction, they're going to have to work for it. So if they want something at all, you get better deals that way if they know that there's a trial ahead of them if they don't give you what you want. So I sort of have it's an unwritten rule, but unless there's a very compelling reason, I never have a client plead to the charge as it's written. They have to give me something for that. And it usually has to be something pretty considerable. If we're not getting any benefit, then I'm going to make you earn it. And we'll sit there for 2 hours and try a DUI. And sure, we might lose, but now you've had to work extra hard, and you're a government employee. You're on a salary. It doesn't matter how many cases you try or don't. So over the course of time, I feel like that adds up. And if they know you're going to be a pain in their butt, then that tends to get you better results for your client.